Welcome back to my class. We have Igbo language. We have what? Igbo language. Our topic says the use of na as a conjunction in Igbo sentences. Remember, we have 5 uses of na in Igbo language. We have been learning about other ones, like 4 of them. Conjunction is the 4th one. Conjunction is the 4th one. So now, conjunction simply means in Igbo, njiko, njiko, njiko. Conjunction means njiko. If you are using na as a conjunction, we are going to write na in full. Because conjunction simply means a word that joins 2 phrases or 2 sentences together. A word that joins 2 phrases or 2 sentences